Position mama depend, bro. You see it? Cause when mama see me buy the car, bro, mama start to look on fear. She start to say, Bumbuckler, John, no, can't believe I fuck me buy. That she saying, bro. She said, John, no, youth. Yo, hold on.
More crazy.
Funny live. She said, Bumbuckler, fuck me buy, bro. I fuck me buy. So I say, what you mean I fuck you buy, bro? You buy your first car and you buy your car. You see it? Bro. Yo, me not listen to youth. Red eye, bro. Bad mind, bro. Them, bro. Red eye and bad mind, bro. Then come on live. Come on live and whatever you want to do. Come post. Like say no, you are the problem, bro. Don't ball to it. True. I'm not for ball to no, bro. I'm not for ball to no, youth. Bro, we're not for you compete, bro. Me no business if she not say nothing, bro. But when she come on the internet, bro, and post up, she get that, bro. And that's why me have to defend myself, bro. Me have to defend myself, bro. Wanna think, bro. All if she not say nothing, bro. If somebody post, bro. If somebody go, if one girl go up on the media, bro, and post something about relationship, and I get blood up, one not go think, bro. One not go think, say, yo, she get abused and them thing, bro, when that's not the point. Me not abuse her, bro. You know in yourself, so me not abuse her, bro. Because what I shoot at them, bro, me have what if I prove in her, bro. What, bro? Bro, I can't fight. Cause all our, I'm gonna tell you, all our people them don't know want to fight are going out there, so wait. Her eyes look away. How? Because of fear for it, bro. You see it? And the funny thing is, come like me I am. Swear. Come like me I am, it, bro. Swear, bro. That's funny as part of it, you know. Because we love her. That's how it go. Bro, we there at the house, you know. One time we there at the house, bro. And the girl said she want ice cream, bro. I mean, no bite gear. When the girl reach home, go look for your mama where you don't know. Go look for your father where you don't know. Go look for your family where you don't know. Just cause of ice cream, bro. Bro, I'm gonna tell her this. My youth, dog. Bro, this bro, alright, bro. This I can't go. Boy, it can't continue, bro. Cause for once me feel like me I compete with a mama. You see it? And me feel like say, Jano. Me sit down in the car and I hold the PS5 now, bro. Me I say, yo, you give me the PS5 now, why you take it back? And the whole of the people, whole I give to them on the phone now, bro. And I say, Fabbi, what are you doing? You give him something, why are you taking it back? If you take back everything from your mama, you don't have nothing. I'm still not petty. She take back the PS5, bro. She take back the PS5, bro. That's when I go in, bro. First thing, miss and I two controller them. So I go to her and say, yo, where the controller them there? Bro. I know. Bro, a 9 months rent me pay now. A 9 months rent me pay now, bro. Me pay 9 months rent. You see it? I'm gonna send me I buy up everything for the house, bro. If we say we are one, bro. If we say we are one, bro. If we say we are one, bro. You can't watch me I do everything, bro. And me no want call her name. You see? Somebody dey on the phone. Somebody dey on the phone and I say, Jayden, you see, if me did just go up on TikTok and never know, no, I would have believe her. If me never there so and witness everything what go on, I would have believe her. And you know why I would have believe her, bro? Because a woman, bro. Bro, me see all type of red flag in this girl, bro. I'm still continue to proceed. So everything what me I get now, bro, I deserve it, bro. Come and see this from a mile away. Me not do good, bro. From the girl buy the PS5. Watch her now. She buy the PS5. You hear her now? I buy the PS5 for you. She said she buy the PS5 for me. I mean I have no more money. Me not have no more money to try to help her with nothing in her house. But yet still, you see me with my crown. And I want to buy crown too. And you don't have no money? Bro, stop what you want. Stop what you want to use me, bro. And she can't drive, bro. She can drive a little bit, but more to call that driving. Ready eye, bro. She post them up on the internet for people I say, oh my God, look what him do the girl. When you first start thump me, bro, and crab me in my face, bro. You first start all of this in a bro. Bro, there's two sides to a story, bro. So when you see she come on the media, bro, and I post up, bro, it I go look like some abuse her, bro. That cannot be abuse, bro, when me I defend myself, bro. What you mean all now she not say what happened? She basically, bro, when how's a fucking done? You're a fucking done said. Big E that girl, you're a done said. How's a fucking dunce? You fucking dunce or something, bro? Fucking E that girl, how's a fucking dunce? How the fuck? She basically has say everything, bro. She basically a try company internet, bro. She type some bag of thing under there, so bro. Make it look like say abuse me, abuse her, bro, which is not the fucking case, bro. You talk me in my rascal face. You cry me in my face. I'm a defend myself. I defend my blood clot self, cause I'm not girl or not boy. Not one day when she tell me about, look how much time that girl tell me about mother, bro. And me never yet one day say take out my hand off her. Never yet, bro. Never yet. Oh, I'm too no youth. Every time I upset, bro. Every time I upset, bro. Me come out of the house, bro. When the girl me upset, bro, I come out of the house, bro. And people, and I give to them a call on the phone and say, Jayden, where you gone? Me say, mama, I'm upset, you know. I'm upset to a point, you know, mama. I'm upset, you know. Left the yard, bro. How can I abuse that, bro? I defended myself, bro. You want to be in a competition with a one man, bro. When I could have used that money there. You don't have a car already. Why you want to size up? Why you want to size up with the big top dogs? Satisfied what you got, bro. You spending money buy a car, bro. I just see me buy a car, so. Yeah, this up. Year one car, bro. Why you wanna try size up with the big dogs? Are you red eye? Why you wanna size up? You really wanna size up? You wanna size up? And them thing are going, bro. And when them thing are going, bro, and we work out with difference and so, bro, you know I go see a prank, bro. Cause I want to see where I live good and them things, bro. You know I go see a prank. You know I go want to see a prank, bro.